Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson, here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into a special tool called Mail Genius. Mail Genius is, I'd say, probably one of the top 10 things that I recommend, or softwares out there that I recommend when it comes to email deliverability. And the reason is because it will scan and evaluate your emails, giving you a better perspective or understanding of what might be causing your emails to end up in a spam folder. There's a lot of different factors. It could be the amount of links, could be the specific links, it could be the text in the email itself. There's just a lot of different factors at play here, and sometimes it's just easier to refer over to a specific software like Mail Genius that will tell you exactly where you're going wrong, where you can make changes to make it so that there's a less likely of a chance, I guess, or that your chances are less likely of ending up in someone's spam inbox. So let's go ahead and jump over to my screen here and make sure that you have the right foot forward when it comes to your email deliverability. Before we dive in, I have something awesome for you. It is our Quick Start Blueprint ebook. It's the ultimate guide for your service-based business looking to get set up online the right way without all the tech headaches. Whether you're just starting out or trying to improve upon what you've already set up, this ebook is packed with a bunch of tips, tricks, and overall strategies that can help you grow your business. You can grab your free copy below by clicking the link in the description. With that said, let's go and dive into the video. Kicking things off, head over to mailgenius.com. That's mailgenius.com. And you'll end up on this landing page right here. The only thing that we're going to be doing on this page is testing our emails. And the way we're going to do that is by copying this email address right here and just going into whatever provider you use to send that same email that you were running into issues with. Just resend it or create a clone and send it to this specific email address. However you have to do that, just make sure it goes to this area and only this contact. When you do so, it will then take us to another screen with a full-on review and rating of your email. It'll break down everything from the amount of links that are being used, the types of links, the types of words. It'll give you an overall score to give you a good understanding of what you need to do to get out of the spam folder, or at least have a better chance of doing so. Once you send out the email on whatever platform you use, come back to Mail Genius, check off the box here that says I'm not a robot, and then click on see your score. Now, let me just walk through this whole process. I'll show you what the other page looks like in one moment. Once Mail Genius receives your email, it'll give you a breakdown with a score out of 100. Take that with a grain of salt. And it will also give you a full breakdown as far as the things that you can go in to fix. Each one of the items that are listed out here will have a full explanation as far as why it is affecting you in a certain way and how you can go in and fix it. Just click on each of them individually and it will show you exactly what it is as far as like what the problem is and how you can go in and resolve it. And that's basically it. That's all we're covering here in this video. Hopefully this was helpful. If you are curious, Mail Genius does have a paid subscription, and no, we do not currently use it, but if you're interested in learning more, just go over here to app.mailgenius.com/pricing, and it will give you some more information as far as how it can help you. And that right there is a wrap for today's video. I hope this was helpful. Hopefully this keeps you out of your customers' spam folders and only in their inboxes. If you have any questions around anything that we covered today, make sure to let me know down below. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.